You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? How do you pronounce this name? From French. This is French for the city of Bologna in Italy. That's how in France here we call the city of Bologna in Italy, because you know, in a country you don't necessarily use the original Italian pronunciation. Bologna, Bologne. So at the end it's a ñ sound rather than a ñ sound. Bologna. Yeah, it's rather similar to Italian Bologna, but it's a little different. Bologna. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.